Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. So in this video I'd like to talk about how to indoor lighting, and in this video I'd like to show you an example and how to indoor lighting. So here for example I have environment, then so for example this environment like a bar, I change here to NVIDIA to see at the same time the result. Okay, so we have for example this part of the bar where we don't have so much light. It's like a dark part, and here we have this window and we have so a TV, some source of light like a lamps, like a flames here. So okay, you can see here with NVIDIA this part. So how to make this part look more, how to change the light in this part and make it so more light here in this part of the bar where there is actually no light. Okay, so first thing here we need to know that every time we try to make an indoor lighting, we need to search for any source of light. For example, here we have these three flames. You can see this one, this one, this one. We have a TV, we have a window. So all these elements are a source of light. So first trick here to use is to use a plane and make it a source of light using the window. So I show you how to do that. So here I need to add a new camera with the same position of my perspective view. So this is my new camera and I keep the perspective view. So now I go here, outdoor, I have the window here, and what I need to do now is to create a new primitive T-plane and here X negative and accept. So I have here the plane. So I search for my plane. It's already selected. Yeah, exactly. And make it here. Okay, nice. Then like that. Okay. So now I change here to right view, then I select the plane, I click here, this is my plane and this is my window, the outdoor. So I click Ctrl and D to make any object in the floor. Okay, for example here my plane is not in the floor, Ctrl and D to make it in the floor. Then I try to cover my window with this plane, try to make it just like that. For example like that. Okay, I come back to perspective view, I select my plane and I click here to go directly to the plane like that. This is really useful. Then I just need to make it close to my window, exactly like that. So now I come back to my camera and let's see what we have here. We just have a window covered by a plane. So the idea now is to make this plane a source of light. Let's see how to do that. So I come back to my camera like that. Here we have the perspective view. I select my plane and I go to surfaces, plane, open it, default, emission. Change the black color to the white color and I change this value here, luminance. Let's make it 2000 like that. Let's see what we have here. So you can see now clearly here the light here. So I come back, you can see that we don't have anything. Now you can see with this value 2000, this value 2000, here we have the light. Let's add another 0. Let's see what we have. You can see now that, so I change here just to show you how this plane become a source of light. You can see. But I think I need to reduce here the luminance. So let's delete a 0 and make it this 2 become like 4. I think now it's okay, or 5. Okay, then we have here the emission temperature that make your light look more white or more red. So depend of your scene, how you like to the look of your scene and how your scene to looks like. Okay, so I think it's like that's okay. So now I'd like to show you another thing. So that's okay with the window and the plane. This is really useful to create a light. So now we have another source of light. We have other objects. For example, here the flame or the TV. So let's create another camera. Create a new camera, same position. We have here number 2, camera number 2, and I like to zoom here to the flame because now I like to show you how to make the flame a source of light. Change here to camera 2. So now I have my flame, and I select my flame and go to surfaces, open it, and here we have the flame separated with so many parts, so flame, glass, metal, everything. So here we select the flame and the emission. Actually here we have the color of this flame, the temperature, and the luminance. So let's add here, for example, a 0, and let's see the difference. So to see the difference, I need to come back and like that. You can see here this part, the difference. We have more light here. Okay, and you can change as always more white or more red to see your flame. I think it's okay like that. And you can add another 0 to make it more light. Okay, so like that you can see that you can change any object to be a source of light. Any object, even it's not a source of light, it's not a lamp, it's not a light. And I like to show you that with the TV now. So here we have the TV. We go to TV, change here to see the TV. So okay, so I select the TV, and you can see here that the TV is separated between two things, the screen and the screen case. So the screen is actually this image, the screen, and the screen case is this black area, it's a plastic area. And I like to show how I can change this plastic area to be like the source of light. So I select the screen case, emission, I change the black color to white color, and let's add here, for example, 3 zeros. And let's see. You can see that I can change any object to be like source of light. It's not okay realistic, but you can use it. You can use that and don't show it in the camera because, for example, just I need to the light in this part like that. Okay, but the trick is not that is important. I like just to show you that I can change any source of light to be I can change any object to be a source of light. So if I come back here to black color, we don't have actually anything. So this is just a trick for interior light and how to use emissive light to give more light to your indoor scene, and this is really useful. And you can see now the difference. If I just delete this plane, this become dark. Okay, and here we have the lamps look great because we change the light and the emissive light of the flame. So finally, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. If you have any comment about anything, please comment. Also, you can contact me on my Instagram. So enjoy rendering. See you in the next video. Ciao.